Hello everyone. Would you look at this? Figs already. We're gonna have a hot weather for a little bit longer, so they might get a chance to ripen like they're supposed to. We had a record rain breaking in August. It rained so much, which means we didn't have to water the garden. We had such a dry season in July, but just wanted to show you the figs. The ants are loving them, and the birds are also loving them as well. And Josiah is loving them too. Somehow he's eating them because usually he does not eat them. Must be really sweet. So yeah guys, really happy with the fig tree.
Take a bite of it.
Really sweet. I believe this is a golden fig. I'm not really sure of the variety yet. Hello everyone. I'm back out here, outside, in the garden, and I'm going to be picking one of these figs here. Whoa. Just infested with those little red bugs. And here's another one. Oops. Ripped half of that one off. That other one looks like it's too far gone. Then I got two. Two nice figs here. And yeah, that's all I see for now. Two figs. I'm gonna be taking you to see if we have watermelons ready. Here's a tomato that's ready. That's what the garden's looking like at the beginning of September. The birds are getting fat off these sunflower seeds you guys see here. This is my bird feed to them. So you just plant sunflowers, and at the end of the season the sunflower just turns into like that. And yeah, it feeds the birds. The birds just hang down. I can hear them right now. There's probably cannot see them, but the finches are out. They're getting their dinner. See a nice red tomato from here, over there. I'm gonna go get it. You guys see it? Right there by that pole. I actually found 3 tomatoes. I was really zoomed in on that last one. 3 tomatoes I found. Let's just pick me a watermelon. I was gonna pick this one, but this one seems like it still has some life to it. The hair's not completely dried. Hello guys. I have some pears out here from my pear tree. It's been taken over by the gourds. And the bottle gourds, I did not get out here in time. See, I'm harvesting some. I'm gonna show you in this video that you're supposed to harvest some before they get like this. See that brown on them? It has gone to the stem, and then that one's bad. But because some of them have fallen down, like this one. Look at that. That's terrible. That's no good. Well, we can still save these though. See these, they just should come off right off without having to cut them or anything. They just kind of come off. Easy to break off because but yeah, these are still good, and I got the biggest one. That one still hasn't gotten bad, so I'm still very grateful for what I get, always. And this one, it's not gonna come off, but I know it's ready, so I'm just gonna pull the whole thing off like that. And I'm not sure where to go set them at. But you guys, just wanted to show you that I'm harvesting these out here. Okay. And that if you have gourds, you may want to go look outside and see if they're ready, because I know mine are. This one probably could use a little bit more time, but I'm gonna go ahead. Oops. You know, I'll come back for the rest. But for now, I got these, and I just wanted to show you that you want to pick them whenever they're like this. You see this brown stem to here, pretty good. It's great. But if you let them go too long, the brown moves on and rots this part out. And there. Yep. Get what I'm saying there. Hello everyone. I'm just doing a small video out here of what everything looks like in September. Got some sunflowers over there, Mexican spice bush, some bags over there that I need to empty. Got a white crepe myrtle, hibiscus, some more sunflowers, little nursery area over there. Got some loofahs in here, pigeons over there. That's the aviary. This is the greenhouse that needs some work. And that stuff that's growing right there on the aviary is passion. Passion flower, passion fruit, really good. If you come back here to the backyard, you will see that we have a banana tree that's been doing really good underneath our pecan tree. And then the backyard, the chickens are right there. This is our back porch. Right here we have, these are our mulberry fruit trees. And then, yeah, this has become like a forest back here. That's where the rabbits are. Some more sunflowers. That's pretty much all you can see from up here. But I just wanted to give you a quick 360 of what the property looks like when everything's full grown.